Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to do a basic hula warm-up. You will hear me start with the command MAKAUKAU, which means get ready. I will then say OMAKAUKAU, asking you, are you ready? And you get to reply back in Hawaiian, I, which means yes. MAKAUKAU. Ho'omakaukau. Ready and KΑʻO. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Now let's Hela. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Kāholo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Arms up, 45, right and left, right and left, right and left. And vamp. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pow.